right, well, welcome back to the Yard Dad. I got 2 new reels to show you. Check this out. Got the electric Webb here, and then I got this Scott's Pro, the 18-inch. I've used both of them. This thing's awesome. This thing is awesome. Both of them are awesome. This is going to be for our bent grass project, which we're going to be working on today. I'm just going to be spraying some glyphosate. I went over there. It's looking better. I'll show you here in just a second, but we're going to use this one in the backyard today. We'll cut it 3 inches high. I might hit it with the mower first, the regular mower, the Toro one I have. I'm going to cut it high on that one and then come back and hit it with this. And then maybe we'll go down a little bit, maybe the 2.5 or something like that. Yeah, maybe 2.5. Let me show you how everything's looking. And then here, check out I'll show you some more about the Webb, of course. But yeah, it's got a 20V, the lithium, 30 centimeters cutting width, kind of small. That's kind of a bummer, you know. That's one thing that I was kind of bummed out about a little bit with it, was I was like, come on, make a bigger reel. Or, you know, like this, for instance. This thing is awesome. I kind of knew it was going to be awesome, but I mean, this thing's great. I can't believe how good this thing cuts. And the assembly of it as well, it was like super straightforward. Everything's nice and well marked. So like if you're trying to get something and you don't want to upgrade anything or do anything, you just want a reel cut, you know? Well, if you look on here, and of course I can't see it right now, right? Where is it? Oh, here we go. So if you look on here, there's a 3, there's a 2, there's a 1, and you can just easily move these levers to your 3, and then you get it. You go in between, you get your 2.5, and then it goes down to 1. And I think, too, you can get a lower. I think it goes lower if you move one of these bolts on one of the wheels. But I won't be doing that. But maybe we'll do that on my Earthwise one, because I need to fix the wheel. And I'm pretty sure that I already moved that bolt. So that would cut lower on this one. And I added this roller as well, which is actually quite nice. This thing's nice and heavy too. But I think I'll be leaving this one not upgraded for now, just for now. But I really like the way it cuts right out of the box. It's fantastic. We'll of course like sharpen it up and all that. But another cool thing about this Webb, but it's kind of annoying. I wish this was mounted on the other side here on the right side. Maybe I'll do that. You got to hold this while you pull this, and then you can let go of it. That's one thing that I do like about it, is kind of like the Sunjoe. You just hold this and squeeze this at the same time, and as soon as it starts running, you don't need to hold that anymore, so you're good. How fast that spins and how much more grass it gets, and I'll show you when we're cutting the back here in a minute with the Scotts, but it cuts super fast. It cuts way faster than we can push. So when it's doing that, it's just getting the cuttings are so much better. Like it's filling the bag with so much more. And I'm just like, wow, like it's better than the regular Webb, because it's spinning so fast, even though it technically is the same thing. And it's belt driven. And the only thing that's a little bit annoying, and I'll just show you real quick here. All right, so here's the battery. I just wanted to show you that up close. And I'll make an entire separate video where I just go over everything with this. But there's the battery. It's got a USB-C right there. And then right here, this is the battery charging pack, or, you know, wall charger that came with it. And it's got a USB-A, I think it was. Yeah. USB-A, Type C2 and Type C1. And of course it's not Gonna plug into my wall here, but you go on Amazon and you can get yourself an adapter, which I did, and it should come today. They give you the cord too. Thought you'd want to see it. Just looks like your standard, you know, tool slide-in pack, and it is. And yeah, I mean, the thing cuts great. And I tested it out on my grass that you probably shouldn't be cutting that short at in the back, and I'll show you right now. Here's where we tested it out. I think it looks great. This is 1.5 inches. My grass is pretty high right now. And we'll cut it like 2.5 to 3 inches with the Scots. I'm probably gonna hit it with the mower first, yeah. And then we'll come back with the Scots and we'll clean it up and get it nice and even, right? Scissor cut. No more of that. And I think that's how I'm gonna start cutting the lawns in the front as well, with that Scots, and then the bent grass project. Give you an update on that one. Tomorrow's video is going to be like when we're going to really start jumping on that, and we're going to get it done, get everything seated. This is how we're looking over here. Everything got kind of washed out, but it's definitely working. We just need to clean up over here, and then we'll be good to go. And then we'll get that soil mix and everything else going right there. We'll get the bent grass down. We'll get it raked, and yeah. Project video tomorrow. Today, get this backyard cleaned up, and yeah, and then we'll, of course, maybe I'll do another strip of the Webb, because I have not really fully charged that battery yet. I was trying to, but it was just, my charger was just taking way too long, so I got the adapter. Then it'd be fully charged, then we'll have a whole video about that. And then here's how we're looking in the front, where I have more Kentucky blue that's seeded up here. It's pretty much all Kentucky blue. And I haven't watered this grass in over 2 weeks. Yeah, it's been over 2 weeks. And when I say water, I'm talking like I watered it like for products, just to get some stuff into the soil. And I did a lot of that by hand too. I haven't really ran my sprinklers this season. I don't need to. Let's test some stuff out here in the backyard. See what this reel can do back here. Let's go. Mowed high there, then hit it with that Scots reel. You saw how the Webb works over there, but of course we're going to be doing that for the bed grass. But man, that reel is awesome. Here, check this out. We went both directions with the reel. I'm still going to come back and hit all these corners and everything with the trimmer, but I think it looks pretty awesome. looks really good, especially because our growing season for all of this just started. I really do like the wheels on it too, because whenever you want to stop, you just lean back. You know, I know you can do that on a lot of them, but for some reason, that thing, it just turns so great with those wheels. I don't know what it is. But yeah, and it can get really up close to things too. And then the Webb, that thing works great. Here, check out that one little section I cut right here. You can see, you know, it's very low, but I'm not seeing a bunch of roots being pulled up or anything like that. My dog, this is from my dog. That's what happens when it just sits. You know, like once you cut the grass down, you can really see it. If you get it watered in though, to turn it green after they go. I'm really impressed with that thing. This grass is not meant to be cut that low, but I do have mostly perennial rye right here on both sides. I have perennial rye right there, and I got a lot of perennial rye right here, and it is hat trick, and I think there's a little bit of fireball. It's definitely getting a little dry, but you can see right here how it clumps. Like it grows in clumps rather than the whole runner thing, like the bluegrass right here. You can see the bluegrass, and then you can see the perennial rye right there. It's a lot thinner. Pretty good. It's funny how you can't see anything this direction, then you turn around and then it's totally different. You can see everything. I'm gonna go finish the video here in just a minute. I'm gonna go spray. I'll get the glyphosate down. I actually went over it with the mower right now, and it's a lot deader than it looks. Stuff's just kind of, it's like dust. All right, I'll show you how I mowed it real quick, and I'll get it sprayed, wrap up the video, and that'll be it for today. You can see we're to exactly what we want. And you can really see, like, even though some of the stuff looks green on the top, if you actually get down in here, it's not. That stuff is, but that's because I haven't really sprayed up like up on there. But you can see, I mean, it's crunchy. All right. Definitely see, like, this is still good. It's the right temp now, so we're good. But yeah, that's it for this one. Check out the Scots for sure, and the Webb, the electric Webb there is awesome, and I really can't wait to use it on the bent grass. We just got to get there. But see you in the next one when we get on that project. Thanks for watching. Peace.